Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Eva's Plantful Journey. And today I have something fun. It's literally about, I don't know, I say like 9-10 months in the making, where I pollinated a Anthurium. I don't know if it's a clav or I don't know which one it is. It's just one of the more uncommon Anthuriums. The pollination was successful. However, it did take about 10.5 months to complete. I have another spadix that is currently getting ready to produce berries. But right now I have some berries that are ready to be sown and planted. So without further ado, let's get into it. Oh, but before I get into that, I want to do my affirmation. My affirmation for today is my mind is full of positive images. I know that I work a lot. I take care of others, but I feel like I haven't been taking care of myself. So you can't pour from an empty cup. So make sure that you're positive. You speak life over yourself so you can speak life over others. But you can't take care of nobody if you don't take care of you first. So what I'm gonna do immediately after I finish this is I'm gonna work out. So I hope that you're taking time to take care of yourself. And always remember to be kind. But Planty nerdy friends, here we go. I'm gonna show you. So this is the plant. I got it from a nursery in West Columbia, South Carolina. It was pretty mature when I got it. It started putting out spadix. I would say after I repotted it because it was severely root bound. It's a video on that also. It's also a video on the pollination process that I went through. And if you can see, here are some of the berries that are ready. Like this one is already starting to dry out. So I'm gonna be taking these off. I have some, what do I have? I got some tree fern fiber, just a little bit. It's really expensive. I don't think I'm gonna put this in here. I think I'm gonna save this for something else. But I was contemplating doing that. But look at this, man. I got this from Amazon. Do y'all see that? I'm gonna put it in the water. I know it's gonna expand, but how much? It should be enough for what I'm trying to do. I normally get my sphagnum moss from my local nursery that's like 5 minutes down the road, but they've been bought out by somebody else and they don't have anything. So I ordered this. It's New England sphagnum moss. It's really, really compressed. Let's see what this can do. I know this is probably not gonna help me with my moss poles, which I needed to. This wasn't cheap. This was like $20. And so is this tree fern fiber. It feels really good though. It's really squishy. Yeah. So let me give y'all a close-up of the spadix. And I have another one coming out also, but I don't have anything to pollinate it with. I think I'm gonna take it and when it finishes, going through the, I guess the male phase, I wanna put it in the freezer to save it for when I get something else that's ready. We're gonna get ready to take the berries off, the ripened ones, off of the spadix. I'm gonna try to give you guys another little view of it before I start taking some off. And of course I'm gonna put on gloves because I don't want this stuff on my hands. They say that in some of the berries you may have more than one. So hopefully, fingers crossed, We do. I'll be gifting these to a few. Oh, they're coming off really easy. The ones that are ripe. I'm gonna get a close up with my phone so you can see. So let's see how many we have. I have one. It don't really smell like anything. Let's see if you can get a close up of what the seed looks like. There it is. So my plan is to let it dry out. Let them dry out a little bit. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Well, I'll probably Google it first, but I'm gonna get my moss ready tonight. I'll put a link to what I'm gonna be putting in. It's like a dome cup situation that I got from Amazon. This is another seed, and it's only one. And honey is just like rough into that. Shh. So we're not lucky yet. I have two more I just took off really easy. Let's see what we have here. This one's juicy. Oh, I got two in here. I got two in here also. So my goal is whenever I reach a certain number of subscribers, which will probably take, I'm gonna stand up. So, and I'm gonna tell you guys how many I'm getting as I'm popping them. Taking them off. Let me get you here so you can see a little better. They're just coming right off. It's when I get a certain number of subscribers that I will possibly be doing a giveaway. I think my goal to be like 500. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, I'm getting excited. I got another one with two. I feel like I don't have enough. There's like enough berries, but I got so many up there that's not even ripe yet. And I don't know why the whole thing didn't pollinate. This is my first time ever pollinating Anthurium, so I'm proud of me. I'm going out of town, so I didn't want to leave it because I seen one, it was like drying out a little bit. I didn't know if that was good or bad. One more, leave that other one up there because it still has some green in it. Oh, I got one more. It kind of looked like corn on the cob after you pull the berries off of them. Okay, all right. So look at that. So the tally is in, I believe I have 17 seeds and I had 9 ripened berries. And if you made it to the end, you're a real one. But on a real note, like, comment, and subscribe for a chance to win one of these seedlings whenever they germinate. I'll keep you guys posted. And that's pretty much all you gotta do is comment and subscribe. And whenever these germinate, I'll pick probably, I don't know, 3 people to send some Anthurium clavrineriums to. I think that's what they are. If it's not, comment down below. And stay hydrated, stay blessed, and take care of yourself and be kind to others.